Okay, now I purposely have the wrong tool in the spindle, just so I show you that the machine like this has a tool changing capability. I have the block all ready to bore. I've set the tool diameter in the tool setter that I've shown in the previous video, and this block is ready to bore. And because it's so close to the blueprint spec, I can bore it on the blueprint spec, no problem. Well, we have the wrong tool in the spindle, but the machine will detect that and pull that out and put the right one in. Carry on boring the block. Now these have had a myth about their hardness, the block hardness, and my experience with boring and honing these, they are definitely hard. You have to use, now normally I would use a much faster speed and feed boring a block, but because this is a good quality block and very hard material, high nickel content more likely, it's hard on the tool bit. So I slow the speeds and feeds down on a bead, which tells me that yes, indeed, it's good material. Now there's the finish. I took another 2 thou on our block finish, and you can see it's pretty nice. Cleaned it all up. And the final deck height, I believe, is 9', 9'28", or 9'27". Now when the tool reaches the bottom of the bore, it's actually going to stop and index. You'll see it do this. It's a long bore, 6-inch bore. I've got the tool going down about a 1/4 inch past the bottom just to be certain. You see it stops, it moves over, and then retracts. And what that does is move the tool bit away from the cylinder. Now, when it first starts boring, you hear that chattering sound. That's because of the valve release cutting the cylinder. The inlet up is cut, giving you that funny noise. So anyway, this will continue for all 4 cylinders. I guess there's really no need to show the whole process, but I'll continue on for a couple of holes here, I guess. Now, like I said before, we're not sure what it's going to take for this block to clean up. I'm pretty sure it'll clean at 20. Now normally you need a set of pistons in your hand before you can bore a block, but you do need the pistons before you can finish hone the block. I'm just going to bore the cylinders 4 thousandths short of a theoretical 20 over, which would be 3" 180. So we have plenty to play with as far as getting the size right to where it needs to be, and we do that with the hone, which is, I guess, what I'll do next on this block. Here we've done the 2nd cylinder, and it'll continue on through the rest. Now this block, one thing I'll mention, this block has got a really big chamfer on the top, and depending on what it looks like after all 4 are done, well, see, this one's not. Normally I'll go in and chamfer the cylinders after I've bored them, although I'm not sure this block even needs it for the chamfer was so big. Anyway, if it does, I'll show you that video next.